can see how the robot is moving back and forth. It was detecting that black line. Cheer them on, folks. Hurricanes have just placed the heart patch just outside. Unfortunately, the heart. Oh, there goes the syringe full of emitting white blood cells. It's tipped over. We've got some more attachments being put on here by the Arbutus team. My goodness, we've got cheerleaders as well. There go the Hurricanes off again. They've just put the bone bridge in, the one broken bone. We're down to 1 minute and 40 seconds left. 1 minute and 40. Cheer them on, folks. There goes another job. They're trying to put the cast on the ball, and it just missed. That happens sometimes. These things will work perfectly every time you do it at home, and sometimes they just go funny. Now that was fast. There was 2 missions accomplished right there. The robot is tracking along the black line and putting in the step successfully. That was about 4 things done all in one run. Arbutus Global is reattaching some stuff. We're down to 45 seconds, teams, 45 seconds. Cheer them on, folks. Hurricanes looking good. The robot. There are 20 seconds left to go. Okay, Arbutus, you're down to 15 seconds. 15 seconds to go. Time for another run. There it goes. And the robot